Hello guys, I would like to share to you how I did my rice cake or kakanin. So you have to wash, of course, the glutinous rice. Then, after extracting the coconut oil, you have to put salt on it. So you have seen there that it's already steamy. So, yan, malapit na yan
Tingnan nyo guys,
mag-sticky.
malapit na
So,
mag-sticky.
pag sticky na yan, parang candy na yan. So, that's the time for you to put the glutinous rice. It's there. So, yan, hindi talaga yan mapapanis yan guys kahit isang linggo kasi maraming coconut tapos very sticky, parang candy na yung yung oil, no, yung coconut, yung gata. So, that's it guys. Yan na ang aking
Kakanin.
cooked glutinous